Hey guys, Melissa here. In this video, I'll show you how I make this 4-strand round braid. This is if you want something different for components, things to add to your pendants and stuff. This is just a fancier version of twisted wire, I would say. And this is 22 gauge wire. Here I did 18 gauge wire, which is quite a bit bigger. You can even go down in size, 24, 26. That would be cool too. So if you want to learn how I made this, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so I grabbed some 22 gauge wire. You can go ahead and use whatever size you would like, depending on what size braid you need. But we're going to need 4 strands, so you can cut yourself 4 strands, or you can cut yourself 2 strands and fold them in half. It's all up to you. Let me do 2 strands. Cut myself a length, about 1.5 feet, and I'm going to fold these in half. All right, so these are all 9 inches. I'm going to snug all these next to each other, and I'm going to clamp them. This is a spring clamp just from any hardware store, or you can throw them in a vise or something. Just find a way to secure it, and you can work away from you. Sometimes it's easier to work towards you, as long as you can figure out a way to brace your clamp or brace your wires. Kind of separate them out a little bit. So I'm not making a flat braid, I'm going to make a round braid, pretty much spiraling these wires around each other. So I'm going to pick a side to start with, and I'm going to bring it under the middle 2 and up over that one closest. Going to do the same with this side. I'm going to bring it under these middle 2 and then around the one closest. Kind of pull them tight as I go, and then repeat. Go under the middle 2 and over the closest one. Under, over, under, and over. You can kind of see it start to form. The end is going to be all wonky where you start off, but just cut that off. Under, over, under, over, under, and over. And I like adding these type of embellishments to, pendants or whatever I'm working on. You can kind of cinch it up as you go. Sometimes I just kind of pull it out and then tighten them. All right, here we are. I trimmed all the ends to flush. Just take it out of my clamp here. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to see how it looks pulling it through this draw plate, see if it makes any difference. Not really, just straightens it out a little bit, huh? Okay, so this is the 4-strand round braid. Applications, I guess use your imagination. Dress up your bezels. Maybe you can figure out how to make a ring out of them. That would be cool. Just grabbing a random stone. Yeah, if you wanted to dress up your bezel, do something like that. Yeah. All right, so that's it for me this week. What do you think of this braid? Question of the week. Another simple question. Would you use this braid? And what would you use it for? Let me know in the comments. And also, if you like this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.